Hey guys, so I'm going to be sharing a recipe that I regularly consume. It's a great recipe that pairs apple cider vinegar, ginger, and watermelon, and I found that pineapple pairs really well too. And these both, pineapple or watermelon, have sort of a kombucha taste. So I hope you like that. Also, side note, MCT oil right here, MCT oil and coffee literally invigorate my soul. Like, I'm wired right now. And the energy lasts me all day. I've experienced stomach issues with MCT oil, specifically in MCT oil and water and in smoothies, those stomach issues you read about in reviews. But for some reason, on an empty stomach with coffee, there's literally no issues, and I put a ton of MCT oil in my coffee. For some reason, the two of them work really well together, but coffee alone gives me stomach issues, and MCT oil alone gives me stomach issues, but together, they work really good. So I hope you like this recipe, and if you were ever curious about MCT oil, just give it a try. The coconut oil one, not like the other kinds. Yeah, so let's just get into it. Okay, so here's the ingredients. There's ice, there's watermelon, there's the blender. Yep, looks like a blender. There's the mango, and these are the ones, wait. So these are the ones that are important to the recipe, or the base. So the apples weren't on sale, the green ones. So I'm gonna try this one out. An inch or a thumb of ginger and watermelon, and of course the apple cider vinegar. So I'm just gonna blend these up and add all those, a tablespoon of the apple cider vinegar, and then I'm gonna add the whole mango and the guavas, just because we have a mango tree and a guava tree, and if I don't eat them right now, they all go bad. So it's guava and mango smoothies all day. So I just blended the watermelon. I don't know if you guys can see that. There we go. The light's not really showing it, but it doesn't really matter. I just blended the watermelon, like an inch of ginger because I'm feeling kind of stuffy, and water and a bunch of ice, and I'm gonna taste it right now just to let you know how the base tastes. The base is supposed to be like, hopefully you guys can make that, and maybe you don't have guava or mangoes, but you can add other fruits that you like. So I'm just gonna taste it really quick. That tastes pretty good by itself. I just need to eat a lot of mangoes and guavas because the tree, if any of you have a mango or guava tree, it sheds like 30 of them at a time, and they all ripen at the same time. So now you have to have mango and guava smoothies day and night, and it's just, yeah. So I'm gonna add that, but it's not necessary. This actually, on its own, if you don't like super sweet smoothies, this is like pretty good. So give it a try. Let me know what kind of fruits you add that pair well and what doesn't. I already know that banana does not work well with this, for my taste at least. So maybe avocado wouldn't either, but just let me know in the comments how this worked out for you, what you've tried, and just give me feedback and let me know what didn't work, so that way I know to avoid that and I'm not wasting fruit too. So thanks, hope you guys enjoy it.